Hi, I'm Sarah from howtorunaretailstore.com, and today we're gonna talk holiday. It is November, which means it is time, if you are a retailer, to put your game face on. This is your perfect opportunity to make as much money as you possibly can in the next 2 months. And so today, I'm gonna deep dive into one of the most genius ideas I think we have for the holidays and how you can implement it in your store so quick and so easy. The name of the game is to get people to buy gifts from your store, not from Target, not from Nordstrom, not from your neighboring boutiques, from you. It's a race to the finish line. And so how can we make sure that when customers are coming in with that blank look on their face, wandering around, we all have seen this during the holidays, you know, they are just looking for something. They need a gift for a teacher or a coworker or their mom or their grandmother. They have no idea what they want. They just need something. We want to make sure that we can serve up the answer to their problems on a silver platter. And this is how we do it inside of our store. We do pre-made gift boxes. I got these boxes on Amazon. We'll link it below. We have some cute stuffing. It's super cheap to get. And what we do with these gift boxes is we have perfectly curated items inside these boxes, and then we put signs for exactly who we think that collection of products is for. So you can see this one, so great, perfect for mom, cute little necklace. We have a collection of essential oils. This is one of our most crazy selling products in the store. It's a diffuser stone, so you can just put the essential oil on this stone and put it anywhere in your house, and actually really does last a long time. Super nice. Whoever is buying this, let's see, we have multiple price points. So this is $70. We have price points for $50, $60, $70, and $80. That way, whatever your price range is, there's something for everyone. And it depends on, you know, obviously what products you put inside the box. But for $70, the person is getting a perfectly curated collection of products. We did all the work for them. And guess what? When we seal this box up, we do a super cute little bow. You can do anything on the outside that you want. We're minimalistic, so we like this. You could do a hang tag, but for the consumer that's walking into your store with that blank look on their face, if they walk up to something like this, you've solved all of their problems. They don't need to go to a million different stores. You have done it for them. And instead of just buying some $25 candle, you're upselling them into a fully curated box that is gonna be a little bit more expensive, which means you're getting your average dollar sale up, but for them, it's worth it because it's done. Everything is done for them. So let me show you a couple of other little boxes that we did. This is for my BFF. This has several items in it, so this is gonna be one of our higher price point boxes, like $80. We have a little keychain, great, you know, bracelets, all gold, hair clips. Another thing that we do when we do these boxes is when we are very first out the gate trying to figure out what we want to put in the boxes, we walk around the store and we see which items are low in stock. So if you only have 1 or 2 items left of a certain necklace or a certain, you know, hair clip, pull those off the floor and use them in these boxes. It's a great way to kind of get rid of merchandise that doesn't have a full collection. One thing that I want to specifically remind you is that you can't just put a bunch of random stuff inside this box. It really does need to be curated, look like a beautiful package, not just a haphazard bottom of the barrel, things you couldn't get rid of, you stuck in this box. Customers can see when that is going on. And if they feel like it is a quality product that you have put together, they'll no qualms, spend the money. But if it feels like just something thrown together, they're gonna walk right past it. So it needs to make sense. So like this one, great for sister. We have a really cute jewelry dish. And then a bracelet and a pair of earrings. The bracelet matches the pair of earrings. They're both gold. You can absolutely wear them together. So it's a full, and obviously jewelry goes in a jewelry dish. So it makes total sense to the customer. And this one is going to be a little bit lower in price point because there's only 3 items. I'm telling you, this is super duper easy. You can have your staff do it behind the counter, but make sure that you have clear signage for everything because you don't want your customers to just walk past this and think it's just some random display. So we have it right by a Christmas tree. You can see it kind of feels like the presents under a Christmas tree, so it makes sense. This one is super cute, perfect teacher gift, right? Like little reusable bag, great, drink cup. This is really cute too from Tim Dago. It's a little notepad and you actually have seeds inside of this and you can make a plant for their desk. So super cute, but we had a ton of them this year, so I'm using them in the boxes. If you have any questions about how we do this, feel free to comment below. We're gonna link all these boxes and stuffing and whatnot in the notes. And as usual, we love to hear from you. And don't forget, every Friday we have new videos that come out, so be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you soon.
Have you ever dreamed of opening your own clothing store? Would you love to be a larger part of your local community? Or maybe you already have an online shop but want to take the leap into a physical location. Well, join me as I pull back the curtain on all things brick and mortar. And don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on how to grow and thrive in your own retail storefront.